Welcome back, colleagues. So now I'm going to be taking you through the process of copying your 2021 recordings from OpenCast into 2022. How do we go about doing this? In this course, I actually opened up the 2022 version of this course as well. And in this, so in this tab, you've got the 2021, and in this tab, you've got the 2022. So if I click on the 2021, and I come down to OpenCast, and I see over here, go to Overview. I click on that. You will see that there's at least 8 videos here that need to be carried over to the new course. So all I need to do is I say Manage Series. Once that opens up, you will see that you get your series ID. What we need to do is we need to copy this ID number right there. Copy that. Right click and copy. And then we go to the next tab, which is then 2022. As you can see, this is the 2022 course of the same course code. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to OpenCast. I'm going to go to Overview. Come to Manage Series. You will see that there's no series allocated here yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Import. I'm going to paste the number that we just copied. I'm going to click Import. You'll see the button has changed here. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for the import to be completed. Once you've clicked Import, it should automatically switch over and you'll see that the videos have been imported into the course. Now if we go into the course, you will see that the videos are present and you are ready to go. If you want to move this to the top of the screen, you can move it up. If you want to move it anywhere else, you just turn on editing and you move it where you want to have it. All right, turn that editing off. All right, and so that's the process of getting your 2021 recordings into your new course. I hope you found this video useful and hope to see you in the next video.